vegan chicken Philly sandwiches. So I'm about to take y'all to the store with me just to give y'all a little insight on why I be shopping, where I find everything in, and just give y'all a little rundown. So yeah, let's go. I'm looking for some jalapenos, but I really think I'm overlooking the ones I'm looking for. These are the dice kind. Let's see if they're really good before I pick them up. I'm trying to spend as less money as possible. This is what I got in my bag so far. I got the mushrooms, the onion, plant butter, and I'm also looking for some jalapenos, some soy sauce. I'm using this mandarin, what's it called, mandarin orange chicken. I'm kind of curious to know what this gonna taste like because I couldn't find no regular chicken, vegan chicken at Publix. So I'm gonna use mushrooms. I got some plant-based butter. I got these. What you call these? Bell peppers. This is some coconut aminos, and it says the original soy-free alternative to soy sauce. So I ain't never had these, so I'm excited to see what this gonna taste like. And don't listen. My channel, my show, don't judge me, you know. Okay. Okay, so I'm not going to tell y'all no feel, but I'm going to tell y'all, I have the onions, the garlic, jalapenos, cilantro. I think I already said this, but onion. I'm about to prep everything, and I'm going to come back when everything is prepped because y'all not about to take up all my storage. What's up? I forgot to do that in the beginning of the video, so I just wanted to give y'all a proper introduction. But anyway, right here, all I'm doing is slicing my onions small enough to where I can eat them. Look, I'm not no perfectionist, nor am I a chef, so don't come for me in them comments. Look, you just got to chop them up small enough so that you can eat them. So after I finished chopping my onions up, I made them come together all nice and neat and added them to a bowl. This is the bowl I'm going to put all my vegetables in because I like to have my stuff, you know, organized. So when I get ready and cook it, it can just fall together. But anyway, I cut them bell peppers up and I was just like, nah, these too big. I don't want to be chewing on no big old bell pepper chips. So I was just like, okay, boom. Cut the rest of them up and then I cut some mushrooms up. And I really think the mushrooms give the chicken, you know, like a more chickeny feel. And it's so crazy because I let my mama taste them and I don't even think she said nothing about it because my mama don't even like mushrooms like that. I bet she didn't even know she was eating mushrooms. But anyway, so this was the chicken I was using. And y'all, I really thought the chicken was going to come with the flavor and everything on it. But I was showing y'all this was the pack, whatever. When you vegan, them are the symbols you got to look for. Non-GMO, and it says plant-based protein. It also says certified vegan and stuff. All that type of stuff you got to look for. So right here, I'm just mixing a little oil and plant-based butter in a pan, and I'm about to add my garlic and all of my seasonings. Now the seasonings, hold on, I'm already too far. Okay, so boom, I added some of that juice of them jalapeno peppers, and I added a few peppers. I like my food hot. Do you hear me? I like it spicy and hot. So I added them peppers. I added that butter. I added that cilantro, and y'all, cilantro actually gives your food like this different type of taste. It's real good too. But I added some hot chili powder, some black pepper, some white pepper, and some red pepper, and some crushed red peppers. Okay, I told y'all I like my food hot. Don't come for me. So that's what I did, and I mixed it all together and gave it a big stir. And I know it don't look like I was letting it, you know, marinate that long, but I actually was. So right here, I was still adding peppers and stuff. See, that's what I'm talking about. But here I go adding that fake soy sauce. It really ain't fake, y'all. I just don't know what to call it, you know, the alternative soy sauce. So I just poured the whole bag of chicken in there when I should have just cut it up before I put it in there. Now I had to go back and cut it up. I don't know. Sometimes I just be, you know, my mind be thinking further than my actions, and that happens. Comment down below if you do stuff like that. But anyway, here I am just putting the butter. It wouldn't come out the fork, but I was putting the butter in the pan so I can get ready and prep my buns. Now, y'all ain't gonna even tell y'all no lie. I don't think them buns was vegan. I don't think them buns was vegan. But the cheese I used, I know for a fact it wasn't vegan because I couldn't find no vegan cheese in the store or the brand that I used. See, I should have just ordered it on Publix pickup and just went and picked it up and let them, you know, look for me because they know more than I do, you feel me? So, yeah. Here I am mixing everything. I gotta add another clip in here, so I'm gonna just cut this voiceover off and come back. So, like I said, that cheese was not vegan. I couldn't find it. Oh well, too bad, so sad. But it was still bussin', shaboom, shabam, and this is the final product. Hope y'all like it. This is the finished product. I said I was gonna cook me some fries with it later on. Some what you call it, like it's so shaky stuff. But anyway, this is the finished product. I'm gonna cook me some fries with them later. Do with the homemade. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You know the fries you have the extra cut up. I just wanted to taste it on camera for y'all. See if it's tight and basic. I got my water. Which I don't understand why they do that if it's water, you know? We're gonna look into it later after I'm drinking. Okay, this is the burger. That mother look good. That thing look fine. And yes, I like my toast toasted. Right there. Go ahead, me cry. It's almost gone. I be trying to tell y'all, like, being vegan not hard. If you know how to cook, put some love into your food, you ain't even gotta worry about it. So that right there, it's the jalapenos for me. Here I go. So far, I've lost like 22 pounds, as far as I know. I probably gained too big because I had ate like some sweets. And baby, I ain't.
Official. Yo, Gigi, turn it up.